With the leadership in environmental and energy and design LEED certification from the U.S. Green Building Council USGBC, Bangladesh now has 178 green garment factories and stands at the peak of the ranking. Recently, two new factories, a Bangladesh Export-Import Company Limited at Beximco Industrial Park in Gazipur got a platinum rating, and Bornali Collections Limited at Hazarabad in Narayanganj got a gold rating. One Bangladesh RMG items are falling in demand in the global market during this economic crisis. Recognition like this will boost our confidence, said BGMEA Director Mohudin Rubel. Concerned stakeholders are doing everything to construct more and more safe, eco-friendly, and sustainable factories, and by this, buyers are becoming more confident in importing from Bangladesh. Bangladesh leads with 178 green garment factories, silver rating 10 factory, platinum rating 58 factory, gold rating 106 factory.